This presentation is designed for foreign companies that are looking to sell into the US market. Now, individuals or entities such as foreign corporations are subject to US tax at a flat rate of 30% on certain kinds of income that they receive from the US. Now, your customer, or what they refer to as a holding agent, has to hold on to 30% of your income from their sale unless you provide them with a W-8BEN-e form. Now, this is what it looks like now, and I'll show you that in a second. This is what it used to look like, but as of January 2014, it has changed. So really simple, small form, and this is what it looks like now. You get the picture, and it keeps going. So, but it's not as intimidating as it looks. So to complete the form, fill out part 1. Very easy, just put your company name in there, and then where your company is located. So the country that I'm in is the United Kingdom, but you'd put wherever you are. And then we go down, we skip the next line and go to 4, and this is your chapter 3 status. So what are you? Are you a corporation? What is your status? And then we go down to part 5, and this is where it starts to get a little interesting. So what we see here is this FFI. And an FFI is a foreign financial institution. Now, if you're a foreign financial institution, odds are you won't be watching this video, and you probably actually never see this. This will be handled by other people. So I'm not going to go into that. But the most common choice here is the active NFFE, and that's non-financial foreign entity. And an active NFFE is not a financial institution, and 50% of your gross income must come from non-passive sources, and 50% of your assets must be held for non-passive income. So passive income would be things like rent, interest, dividends, and you can definitely generate revenue from this, but this can't be your main source of business. 50% of your business has to come from elsewhere, or more than 50% of your business. We move down to number 6. Just fill in your address. And then number 8. Now this is an interesting area as well. What you need to get here is the EIN number. And to get the EIN number, you fill out a form called the SS-4. And when you fill it out, you don't actually need to submit it. You just call this number, and it would be +1 or 001 267 941 1099. That's 267 941 1099. And then this call will last about 15 minutes. You just take them through and answer those questions that you've already filled out in the form, and then right there and then they will provide you with your EIN number that you'll be able to use as soon as you get off the call. And that's what goes in this space right here. We pop down to part 3, complete A and B, and then we get to skip all of this. And then we just sign here, and then just certify that we have the capacity to sign this form. So this is a great start, but really, if you are to use this form, you need to make sure it's completed properly, and to do that you're going to need to seek professional guidance from an attorney or an accountant, because if you get this wrong, your customers can pay pretty steep fines, and that's not what you want to do to any of your customers. So make sure you get some professional guidance before submitting this form to your clients. So there we go. Good luck.